Well, good evening. It is February 26th, 2026, and the world's largest SUV camper conversion project continues. 2 work days have passed since I picked up the camera. That is because it did not look like much happened. It is just such a tedious process building out all the framework for everything. Like the framework and the little itty bitty stuff is taking forever. But over the past 2 days, good progress has been made, and enough that it's worthy of sharing on camera. Because yesterday I was like, I spent all day working on this and making any damn progress. But today there is progress. So here we go. All right. So here we are. This is one of the seating spots where somebody could sit, Beck or myself, and then obviously the pooper is going to be right there, so somebody could sit right here. All right, so this is obviously the sink. Captain Obvious here. Oh, there's a neighbor. Yeah, the sink is gonna obviously be recessed down there, and oh gosh, you're not gonna really see it, but the water pump is also gonna fit down there, and here is the fresh water tank. So this is going to be counter space. This is obviously going to be recessed, and then let's see here, there's going to be, let's find a scrap. Okay, this is 3/4 inch birch. So there is going to roughly be a 3/4 inch hinge right there, and that will come on down and rest on here as well. So that is where that's at. Let me open this door for more light. Oh. Okay, so then the gray water tank and Anna, the newest IceCo 12-volt refrigerator, is going to go there. The Lifetime 200 amp hour battery fits nicely. I got this boxed in. Oh, spin around. So it is all nicely boxed in there, and the rest of the Lifetime accessories will find a home down there. Still need to do work for the shelf and side over here a little bit. Ow, okay, I'm back. Yeah, this is shelf. It's not secured yet, but done a little bit of work there. So, like I said, oh goodness. It may not look like a lot has taken place, but a lot has. Mike's been great with engineering ideas. Dad's been great for being here to hand me like the 10 millimeter or the screwdriver. Where's the tape measure? All that stuff. It's been priceless. I could not have gotten this far without the help of them. So here we go, out of the sun. Yeah, that's it. There's plenty more to do, but I am tuckered. Thanks for hanging out with me on this little update about the world's largest SUV camper conversion project. Bye.